Hello everyone, Avneet this side from Sahiba Car, Balinagar. Today, we have installed Onkyo X-qd1800 in Toyota Camry. This is a 8-core processor Android stereo which is available in two variants. First is the 4GB RAM variant and second is the 8GB RAM variant which we have installed in this car. The MRP for the 8GB RAM variant is 77,990 rupees, and for knowing the discounted price for the stereo you can contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. This is the look of the stereo that we have installed in the car. This stereo has Pro DSP settings in it. After installation of the stereo in the car, all the original features which are provided by the company have proper functionality along with it. Like as you can check out, all the steering control keys which have been provided in the car have proper functionality. Apart from this, with this stereo we have also installed 360-degree camera kit. Further, I would show you the functionality of it as well. This stereo has been mounted along with a proper frame which is in silver color, which is adding a proper fitment to the car interior. With this stereo, we are provided with 3 USB options using which we can directly insert our USB stick, and 1 SIM slot option using which we can directly insert our SIM in order to access mobile data services on the stereo. This stereo functions like a 4G Android tablet, and the functioning of the stereo is really great. The touch response is also flawless due to presence of capacitive touch in it. You can also check out the touch response. Apart from this, we are also provided with IPS display. The main benefit of an IPS display in a stereo is that if we watch from any angle, we will get a clear view of the screen. Like I am tilting my camera angle, after which the screen is totally clear. This stereo has multiple applications also available in it like YouTube, Google Maps and many more. This is the 360-degree camera application using which we can have a 360 view of car. On left side we are provided with satellite view, and on right side we can choose for a specific view. On turning the indicator on, automatically that side view will also appear on the screen, like as you can check out. On engaging the reverse gear, automatically the reverse camera would be loaded until the reverse gear is disengaged, and on disengaging the reverse gear, automatically the front camera would be loaded. The time for front camera can also be selected according to a requirement which is known as dwell time. There are many other features. We can also select our desired view that we want on the screen, like as you can check out. All the 360-degree cameras that have been installed in the car are properly calibrated, after which it is showing a totally clear view on the screen. Moving on to the other features of this stereo. In this stereo we are provided with Pro DSP setting, which stands for Digital Sound Processor. There are a lot of settings which are available, like first of all we are provided with gain adjustment option using which we can directly adjust the gain of the speakers that is coming in the car. This stereo has a lot of preset modes which are also available, which can be used to check our sound. Apart from this, we can also adjust according to our requirement. In user mode, each and every point of sound can be adjusted according to our requirement. We are provided with many other settings like balance and fader option, which can be used to check whether all the speakers are working or not. We are also provided with time alignment setting, using which we can adjust the delay that is coming from the speakers. A designated option for controlling subwoofer is also available. We are also provided with many other modes like cinema mode and many more. This stereo supports Dolby Atmosphere audio, which makes the audio experience in car flawless. Apart from this, we are provided with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which can be easily accessed by Z-Link application. The only thing in order to access it wirelessly is to connect our phone Bluetooth along with the stereo. The specifications of the stereo is 8GB RAM along with 128GB of storage. The processor in this stereo is Snapdragon processor, and we are also provided with Android version 12 in this stereo. The touch response remains flawless due to presence of all these features in it. If you wish to install the stereo in your car, you can directly contact us. Our mobile number is mentioned below. Now I would like you to check the wireless Apple CarPlay. The only thing that we are required to do in order to access it is to connect our phone Bluetooth. Like as you can check out, after the application has been opened, a connecting sign is appearing on the screen, after which within a couple of seconds my phone data would be directly synced along with the screen. All the data which is available in my phone is directly appearing on the screen. The touch response of it also works flawlessly. We can use many of the applications which are available in our phone directly on the screen by using this feature. The main benefit of this feature is that it makes driving more feasible. We can also access Google Maps of our phone directly on the screen.